In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send BCC emails in Gmail. If you need to send an email to someone without showing their address to the other recipients, the BCC features exactly what you want to use. BCC stands for blind carbon copy, and it helps protect privacy by keeping those email addresses hidden from everyone else on the message. This is especially useful when you're emailing multiple people who don't know each other, or anytime you want to keep recipient information private. To get started, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account before you continue, so the message is sent from the right address. Once you're in your inbox, take a quick look at the left-hand side of the screen, because that's where you'll find the option to start a new email. Next, click on Compose in the left-hand column. This opens a new message window where you can begin creating your email. If the Compose box opens in a smaller pop-up window, that's completely normal. Gmail often uses a compact message window, but all the fields you need will still be available there. Now look near the top of the new email window. In the area where you add recipients, you should see the option for CC, and right next to it the option for BCC. Click on BCC to reveal the hidden recipient field. This step is important because the BCC field does not always appear automatically when you first open a new message. Once the BCC field appears, click into it and enter the email address you want to send the BCC copy to. Be careful to place the address in the BCC field and not in the main to field, since the whole point is to keep that address hidden from other recipients. If needed, you can add more than one address here, and Gmail will keep them concealed from everyone else receiving the message. After that, you can continue writing your email as you normally would, adding your subject line and message content before sending. Just remember that anyone listed in BCC will receive the email, but their address won't be visible to the other people on the thread. And that's how to send BCC emails in Gmail. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when it comes to privacy and professionalism.